This is AS Stats. We're on Unit 2 and this is Example 5. We're practicing mean, mode, median, that sort of thing, and also then using our calculator to work out our summary stats as well. So something like this you would have done all the way from Year 8, so it's very straightforward. These are the number of children in each family, mode, median, range, interquartile range, but effectively we're going to be working out fx. 1 times 3 is 3, that's 8, that's 6. That's 24, and that's 5. The sum of all the f's, if you add all those up, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 gives us 16. Add these up, you can take my word for it, it gives you 46, and that's the sum then of fx. The mode then is the most common one, so the one with the highest frequency then is going to be 4. The median we can work out, it's going to be, we're looking for the half of 16 plus 1th term, so that's the 8.5th term, and so we work our way through here. So that takes me to 3, that would take me to 7, that then 8 and 9 is going to be 3, so in that case then it's going to be 3. Our range, nice and straightforward, 5 take away 1 gives us 4. Interquartile range, so our Q1 is going to be a quarter, 16 plus 1, 4.25, so kind of in between the 4th and the 5th term is effectively what we're looking for, so that's easy there, it's just going to be 2. Don't be panicking too much about this quarter and stuff, we're effectively looking in between 4 and 5, and then Q3 is 3 quarters, 16 plus 1 is 12.75. That takes us to 9, and so then in this case it's going to be 4. And our interquartile range is obviously then 4, take away 2, and that gives us 2. For the next ones then we're going to go to our calculator. So I'll pause while I get rid of the previous stuff. In fact, you know what? We'll keep this here so you can see how to get rid of the previous stuff. So if we go Shift 9, this is maybe kind of overkill, but then it's memory, and reset memory equals is yes, and then AC, and so that's us fine. If your calculator is just in regular mode and you're trying to remember then what to do, so what are we going to do? We are going to go Shift, Setup, and scroll down, and Statistics. This time it's a frequency table, so we want that on, so we're going to press the number 1, and then we're going to go Menu and 6, and we want one variable, and we have the 2 pieces of information in here, so we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I go back up and I put 3, 4, 2, 6, 1, so 3 equals 4 equals 2 equals 6 equals 1 equals, and that's our data in, and I now hit cancel, and then to get any of the information I need I go option 3 would bring me back to data. I want 2 here, and here then should be all the information that I need. So let's scroll down here and we'll see what we're looking for. So sigma f is the same then as our, where is sigma f? Not sure if we're getting that. It's going to be 16. Yeah, sigma f is obviously the same as n, and so that's n, which is going to be 16. Our sigma fx is the same as our sigma x in this case, so it's 46. Sigma fx squared is 158. Over the page then, our mean is 2.875. Standard deviation for the population, it's going to be this one, 1.269. Standard deviation for the sample, 1.310. variance is 1.609 for our population. And standard deviation for sample variance is going to be 1.717. So that's the information that we need.